All
Today
right,
on Ford on
today
Fords.
on. What we doing on? Look, can I get it? Yeah, there it is. On Ford on Ford. We got Flip or Giver, and we about to put a training out and show you what I'm gonna do with that battery box. All right.
Let's do it.
All right. Microwave. All right. We underneath this top. We underneath seat. Ruckus. Not Ruckus. God dang it. Flip or Giver. Oh, Mike. Right there. All right. We're underneath Flip or Giver right now, yo. And let me get myself ready. All right. We're underneath Flip or Giver right now. And we're gonna put this battery box underneath the frame rail. So I got one of the holes here. I got another hole here. I don't know if I'm gonna clear yet. I think I'll clear it. I might have to. I need to pull that out anyways. That's an old fuel pump. I want to be here. Yeah, it's not in my way, but I want that off the firewall anyway. Hope y'all can see. Yo, yo. All right. Looks like that's all. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, clickety clackety. Oh, all right, y'all. Somebody actually did it right. Ah, they actually put it on. Everything wrong with this truck. And now they're trying to put it on right. And I'll be. Would you just look at it? Just look at it, y'all. Let's see. Nasty bastard. Okay, let's go. Come on, man. Today is Friday. I ain't with all this madness, y'all. I know you lying. I know you effing lying. I just know. Raggedy mother. How you one side on this side? All right. Okay. All right, y'all. The clickety clackety is out. I'll have to see that. It's old school clickety clackety, man. I don't know what was up with it. They put rubber on it too to help shock the lower vibrations on the frame. Did not help out, I don't think. Okay. This is, I don't know if it's going to keep me off of that because that's the mount for the original brake lines are going behind. So I got to be careful because back here I have dang on gas lines that I want to keep, but they're metal. Like I said, if I was framing off this truck, all this would be different. Okay, so worst case, I can grind those off because they got a capture nut on the other side. All right, let's go. All right, let's see. What side I'm going to need, y'all? Let's see what side I need. Let's go. Let's go. I know, I know good and hell well. This joker jump from one to large. Oh man, you gotta be kidding me. All right, Yeah, what it is. And then next we're gonna tackle that train mount over there. All right, so let's just get this thing first. I'm up here to see where we at. Well, I tell you what. Oh, he right through that there. That little Hopper Freight bit. I know this is gonna be way too small. I don't got my unit bit down here. See, do I want adjustment though? 'Cause I'm gonna have to put Big Daddy on, y'all. I'm just gonna put Big Daddy straight on. Put Big Daddy straight on him, y'all. Oh, shiznit. All right. Shoot, Big Daddy ain't playing around. Playing a game. All right. Let's see. That's 7 inches there. So if I drop him down one, almost level with the car. This size 24 should fit in there. All right, y'all. Let's see. Get your monkey behind. There you go. All right. You just snug right there. So, okay. All right. So now, go ahead and take measure here somewhere. My base. Here's what the battery is. So let me see right there, y'all. I make sure I got clearance from the battery. 9.5 got plenty over here. I think 8 is the total height. If I got 9.5, I should be good. Okay, let me see what this other hole out here first. Let me see. Let's work that out. Let's work that out. Oh no, they're right in the gas line. Oh Lord, rush. I have to pull them off, y'all. I just need to get two so I can see where I'm at. Okay. Factory hole right now. And don't line up. And it's too far. And right in the middle. Y'all be we're just looking. We're just look at it, y'all. All right. All right. Right there. Hey, that's the third one down, two of the way up. Okay, y'all. I'm going to drill these and then I'll be right back with you when I get it mounted up. All right. Got it mounted. Very strong. Let's see what we can do here. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and do the battery. All right, let's see if we can get the joker to fit up there. Let's measure it first. So pre-measure. Let's see how much we got. For the top, we got 10 inches from the base. 10 inches from the base. This is even further because it rises up. But this is the lowest point. Our lowest point is 10 inches. My battery is 8 inches tall. So we got 8 inches, 9 to the top of the terminal. So that should leave us another inch in the back for wire clearance. I'm going to put the positive up front. Now I got to get this head of the joke up in there. Let's see. Well, I'll be. Boom. Nah. I really want the positive up front in the opening. I don't want the positive right there. So I don't care about the sticker being backwards. I don't care about that being backwards. What I do care about is those bolts on the back side. This is the up top. Okay, well, make sure oh, Jesus. What is this movement? Oh, my God. I screwed it on by hand, too. All right. Let's see. I don't know if I want those nuts back there. I really. Well, I got plenty of room back here. Oh, shit. Okay. I got plenty of room back there. So I'll turn it around. That way, I can run the wires out here, aluminum, keep them easier to get to up here on this top side. Back that up a little bit. So, all right. Let me take the heavy look back out. All right. Come on here. Oh, okay. There. At least the wires up front. The pliers are going to be back further, but like I said, I got maybe 2 inches. I thought I wasn't gonna have that much room back there, but all right, let me make sure this is not hitting the terminal though. Yeah, it is. So, well, I just go with my original idea, y'all. Back around again. I put things in, I take things out. All right, let's go. All right. Guess what? I ain't taking out no damn more, y'all. That was it. That's a wrap right there. I don't like the way this bar is close to that terminal. Boy, if you don't get your silly. All right. All right. Where's the nut? There it is. I do like this mount though. Straight from the jungle store. Plus, everyone I went to the parts store with didn't have the right ones inside the light. So, hey, do I have a soccer foot or something? I believe I don't, because that's the way it is. It was size but the size, y'all. You get the right size. Okay, I'm back. I think I'm back. All right, let's see. Believe that was 9/16. Well, I'm putting this in the right direction, y'all. All right, all right, let's get that snug on there so it should stop falling on me. God dang. Are you locked up? God damn. Okay. All right, everybody was that on the inside. All right, what's that? Get out of here. All right, let me back these bolts on the inside so the battery go back flat to the front. All right. You know if you can hear me good, but yeah, it's in there now. Look at it. I don't try to see it good, but it's in there. So, nice. Like I don't know if y'all can see that, but under the truck you can't see it from the side. What's some good is what I'm looking for. Now we're gonna go up under here, try to tackle this training mount. See if we can get underneath the truck done today. Maybe jump on the other side, drop the tank, or I might go up front and play with the front. So let's go with that.